So we are standing with two aspiring entrepreneurs named Mr. Naresh and Mr. Bharati here. They're running an 8 years old company called as Rapid 3D. So just wanted to see what they have on hands. Let's see.
Yeah. So myself, Naresh, and this is Bharati. We are a company based out of Coimbatore and Chennai. Our company name is Rapid 3D. So we work with hardware startups and again with many industrial verticals like engineering, automotive, electrical and electronics, and general engineering. So mostly we work with the new product development companies and designers to make their prototypes and the design iterations and everything. We do have a 3D scanning facility with us, so we can do benchmarking of components, and we have been doing all this over a period of 8 years. And we have a wide variety of materials and 3D printing technologies with us in house. So we can help people to choose which material and which method based on their applications. Yeah. And these are all the components. These are all complex geometry parts that we have printed it in a single go. This will help you show the intricate features that is manufactured, and all this is printed in a single go. And all these components are end-use products, mainly printed using a material called nylon, using a technology called SLS. And these are all metal printed components. So we do have a metal printing options available with us. So these are all aluminum products, and these are Inconel stainless steel. So basically, any automotive components or aerospace components, component manufacturing companies work with us to produce their prototypes using metal. And all the other components like this rubber and transparent parts are all done for plastic manufacturing companies. Yeah.
Engineer, I also know that it's a bit challenging for us to look at these 3D designs, because once we are done designing the PCB and the PCB has been fabricated, we stuck up here, and that's where the guys have the solution. So let's see the future. Here's the future. Thank you so much.